Good morning, welcome to another of our little videos. Today we're just in a really nice little spot. I wasn't actually planning on doing a video, but we've got here and it's so pretty. So it seemed a shame not to do a little bit of filming while we're here, because I'm sure it'll be of interest to some people who are visiting the area. So we're just about 10 miles away from Tyndrum, that's the kind of largest place around here, and we're in Glen Orchy. It's just the last day of our holiday over at Inverary, and we're just looking for something to do because it's supposed to rain later on, so we didn't want a full day out. So we just found this place on the map and got here. It's so nice and quiet. We've driven about 5 miles down the glen. That's in a single car on a single track road. So we've just arrived at some falls. I'll try and pronounce it. The Eas Urchaidh falls. What do you reckon?
I can't.
You're not even going to try?
Yes. Yeah. Eas Urchaidh.
Yeah, apologies to anybody who knows how to pronounce that. You can tell us off in the comments. But yeah, so we're just going to have a look around. There are some more falls just up the way as well. So yeah, just have a look around. But you can see on the map there where we are. So Glen Coe is there where we've come, and we've come along there. And then this is the glen. So there's Tyndrum. So it kind of runs parallel to the main road over to Tyndrum. So yeah, we'll have a look around, see if it's worth visiting. I might get the drone out for a little fly as well, because it's nice and calm here in the glen. Yeah, let's see what there is to see. So there was a path saying river walk, but it's very overgrown, quite wet and slippy as well. I know it went about 100 yards, but it's come to this place. Absolutely beautiful. The really impressive falls. Go down for a closer look. Yeah, look at that. Well worth a visit if you're in the area. Really pretty. On a hot sunny day, this will be beautiful. Nice, isn't it? So I might have a bit of exploring and try not falling. But I've just come down to the waterfall. You can hear the power of the water. Really spectacular. All these little waterfalls. Fantastic place. Well worth going. You've got to be careful of the rocks, they're a bit slippy. As long as you're careful, you should be alright. So we're just leaving the falls. It's really nice though, and to say it's June, there's hardly anybody here. There is another van just pulled up with a man walking his dog, but yeah, say we're in June, it's such a beautiful place. There's nobody here, so yeah, really good little place off the beaten track if you want to spend some time away from the crowds, because at this time of year some of the main tourist spots in Glen Coe are quite busy, so it's nice to come away. Now there is another waterfall about 2.5 miles up the road, so we're going to go and have a look for that now. Can't remember the name of it, but when we get there there'll probably be signposts, so I'll let you know the name. But yeah, well worth visiting these though. Nice little picnic area, Beautiful scenery, and there's a few mountain walks you can do from here as well. Not Munros, but a few Corbetts you can do. There's one up there actually, just behind, which is quite an impressive looking one. So yeah, well worth a visit to this area. So we'll head on down the road and see what we find next. So we've got to the second set of falls. We actually drove straight past them. The first one there was a little car park, but there isn't a car park here, just a little bit of a lay-by. Room for about 3 or 4 cars maybe. And there's no signs for it, so yeah, not quite as well signposted this one. But this is the Easan Dubha Falls. Again, I probably pronounced that completely wrong, so apologies if I have. Feel free to correct me on the comments. But yeah, not quite as pretty here, I don't think. We'll go and have a look down there. Still a nice quiet area. Still, you probably saw the time warp we didn't pass anybody on that kind of 3-mile drive. So yeah, nice. So we're gonna have a look, see what it's like. Somebody's had a fire, which is a bit horrible, isn't it? Ruined the ground there for a long time. What's it like, Michelle? It's beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, I think the first stop was slightly better, but still really pretty. I might go and have a sit down on them rocks, have a look. So just leaving the falls now, really pretty, not quite as pretty as the first set of falls, but still well worth a visit. So that's it I think for the video today. We're just driving down Glen Orchy now, back to Tyndrum, so it's about 5 miles down the rest of the glen. But a really pretty place, definitely worth going for a little look if you're in the area. So thank you for watching our video. If you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic, and hopefully we'll see you on our next adventure.